I'll put on the song. What did you say? Just gonna stay there and watch me burn. It's so adorable. Now I know we said things, now you come back and when it comes to love, you just define this. Baby, please don't lie. It wasn't you, baby, it was me. Maybe our relation, this isn't as crazy and insane. Maybe that's what I know when I'm torn. It don't mean to go okay. All I know is I love you too much. So walk away, think I'll be good on the sidewalk. Don't change the city. My voice when I told you this is my fault. Look at the apple. Thanks to my pistol in my fist, like the job. Thanks God, there will be no next time. I apologize, even though I know it's lies. I'm tired of game. I just wanna back home. I'm tired to the place that this house on fire. Just gonna. But it's almost over. It's almost over, honey. Oh, sorry, song's over, buddy. Is it your favorite song? I know it's your favorite song, buddy. Want to listen to it again? Okay. That's right, sing with it. That's alright, because I like to wait her.